Is your school district vulnerable to hidden cyber threats? Today, let's talk about vulnerability assessments, your first line of defense against attackers. Vulnerability scanning proactively finds weaknesses, like outdated software, default passwords, or unsecured services, before cyber criminals can exploit them. Common issues include unchanged default credentials, antiquated server OS and applications, or devices unknowingly exposing vulnerabilities, such as printers using outdated protocols. Manual checks can't catch every vulnerability, especially when your IT team is already stretched thin. Regular vulnerability assessments automate this process, saving time and strengthening security. By identifying and patching risks early, vulnerability assessments protect student data and ensure your district's resources remain focused on education, not cyber attacks. Stay ahead of threats with proactive vulnerability assessments from Securus360. Protect your district before an attack happens.